Try get some sauce over top it.
Bacon jam. Our journey commences with bacon, the dawn's first light, sliced into ribbons of deliciousness. Consider bacon jam as a Western take on chutney, tailored to local tastes and ingredients that are available. We've had a lot of pigs. Bacon jam is a fascinating concoction with a dark and mysterious past. Originally it played a role in pagan festivals on eerie October nights, akin to Stonehenge's mysticism. Who left those rocks there? After losing favour with devil worshippers, it resurfaced in a rather unexpected place, the world of medicine. Bacon jam emerged as a potential remedy for anorexia nervosa. A nightly ritual of consuming bacon jam and a cheese sandwich was deemed a miraculous weight gain cure. Unbelievably, Big Pharma buried this secret, concealing the curative properties of pig paste. Some even claim it's a cure for the common cold. Making bacon jam yourself is 10 times cheaper than store-bought. It's sold very much as a luxury product. On Amazon it's $60 a kilo, 2.2 pounds in old money. I can make it for $10, but it won't be organic. But who cares? It's bacon jam. Oh, did I mention this is essentially a condiment for a glorified cheese sandwich? And then choose your favourite cheese. I'd recommend Swiss, Gruyere, Gouda, Gouda, whatever you call it, whatever your heart desires. You do you, buddy. Finally, make a cup of tea, settle down in front of the telly and savour the quality time with your homemade bacon jam creation. The sizzling sound of frying is almost like applause, isn't it? I spent quite a bit of time researching bacon jam, and I also did some window shopping and was surprised by what I found. This will yield 66 portions, around 1 tablespoon, 15 millilitres, of 86 calories each. Each portion costs only 65 cents. While this will only cost you $10, it's a lot cheaper than a kilo of the most expensive caviar, which costs $35,000. Euros, francs. The bacon jam is better, trust me. Don't know about you, but that makes me angry that some can afford to spend $35,000 on goddamn fish eggs, while we're here wondering if my wallet can carry a kilo of bacon goddamn jam. Make it today for dinner, or a tailgate party, or whatever, but do it now before someone else comes up with a bright idea and steals your thunder. Speaking of tailgate parties, great invention by the way, tips hat to America. In a way, bacon jam is as American as Huck Finn's adventures on the Mississippi. A delectable blend of sweet and savoury, guaranteed to put a smile on your face. Slather it on a biscuit, and you've got a meal fit for a king or a riverboat captain. And now a light-hearted joke. Just make sure there's no children in the room, okay? So the joke is, what's the difference between jam and jelly? Well, your boyfriend can't jelly his cock up your arse. Anyway, maybe I won't leave that in the video. Let's move on. This just isn't any jam. This is a pot of plenty jam. Whatever the fuck that means. To embark on your bacon jam adventure, you'll need a generous amount of bacon. If bacon makes everything better, this must be absolutely fabulous. Don't forget some brown sugar and a frying pan. Let's see what the unsocials say. Good night, and may your God go with you.
What are you talking about, Hal?
This conversation can serve no purpose anymore. Goodbye.